Here. Today I got one assignment. My topic is formulating the research hypothesis. The research hypothesis is a curricular step in the research process. As it is guides the investigation and helps to focus the study. Study carefully crafting the hypothesis is essential for obtaining meaningful and reliable results. Define the research problems. Identify the issues. Clearly define the problems or question that the research aims to address. Review existing knowledge. Conduct a thorough review to understand the current state of research on the topic. Recognize knowledge gaps. Identify areas where more research is needed to fill the gaps in understanding. Reviewing the existing literature. Comparative search. Conduct a thorough search of relevant academic journals, books, and databases to gather information on the research topic. Critical evaluation. Carefully analyze and synthesize the information from the literature, identifying key finding theories and methodologies. Identifying gaps. Recognize areas where the existing research is limited or conducting and determine how the proposed study can contribute to the field. Identifying the research gap. Unexplored phenomena. Identify aspects of the research topic that have not been adequately addressed in the existing literature. Conflicting findings. Recognize areas where the current research finding area are contradictory and propose a study to resolve the di- discrepancies. Methodological limitations. Identify limitations in the research methods used in a previous studies and propose a study with improved or alternative approaches. Formulating the research questions. Clear and focused. The research question should be specific, concise, and address well defined problems or issues. Relevant and significant. The question should be relevant to the field of study and have the potential to contribute to the existing knowledge. Testable and answerable. The question should be formulated in a way that can be investigated through empirical research and lead to a clear answer. Developing the research hypothesis. Informed by the theory. The hypothesis should be grounded in relevant theories and previous research findings. Specifics and testable. The hypothesis should be started in a clear, concise, and measurable way, making it possible to test through empirical investigation. Logical, coherent. The hypothesis should be logical, consistent, and aligned with the research questions and the overall goals of the study. Characteristics of a good research hypothesis. Specific. The hypothesis should be clear, concise, and address a specific aspects of the research problem. Testable. The hypothesis should be formulated in a way that allows to be empirical tested and verified or disapproved. Plausible. The hypothesis should be based on existing knowledge and be logical, sound with a reasonable chance of being supported by the data. Relevant. The hypothesis should be directly relevant to the research question and the overall goals of the study. Differentiation between null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis. Null and alternative hypothesis. Null hypothesis. The null hypothesis represents the assumption of significant difference or relationship between the variables being studied. Alternative hypothesis. The alternative hypothesis represent the research prediction or expectation about the relationship between the variables. Relationship. The alternative hypothesis is supported in the research finding indicate that the null hypothesis can be the reject. Testable and feasibility of the hypothesis. Operationalization. The hypothesis must be expressed in a way that allows for measurable, observable, and quantifiable testing. Data collection. The necessary data must be collected using appropriate research methods in instruments. Statistical analysis. The collected data must be analyzed using appropriate statistical techniques to be determine the validity of the hypothesis. Conclusion and next steps. Refine and reviews. The hypothesis may need to be refined or revised based on the research finding and new insights gained during the study. Further investigation. The research may uncover additional questions or lead to the formulation of new hypotheses for further investigation. Practical applications. The research finding can be used to inform particular application and guide decision making the relevant fields. Thank you.